that dead turkey?
You want to look at that turkey?
Well, we'll look at the turkey.
I'd say she sided in.
Oh, that's a... How sided it in and sided in?
I'd say I don't need to shoot anymore or else my shoulder's going to get dislocated.
Turkey season's what, a month away now?
A month and like 10 days.
Never too early to prepare.
No, I'm just... You know, this makes me really happy.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda...
Poppy. Don't say daddy.
Hold on, lay it down. I give up.
How's that going for you?
Not very good.
Didn't know we had monkeys in Ohio.
Yeah. Here's a monkey?
Yeah.
Do the whole like
John Cena.
There it goes.
she's all bolted in and ready to rock and roll.
Satisfied?
Satisfied.
Very.
Yeah.
Where's the one?
Especially that I know it's less than 2 weeks away, boys.
Exactly.
Well, guys, it's been a windy week after highs of 70 and 75 here in Ohio, and now we probably had 50-mile-an-hour winds, and the blind we put up is now completely in the field. So I'm gonna have to go fix this here. It's currently, well, it was currently snowing or flurrying, but it is cold, a good 36 degrees now. So that's the good old Ohio weather. Well, here is the aftermath. That side's good. But right here, we got a little bit of an issue. I think some duct tape can fix that, though. I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, she's okay. We're gonna make her work. But she definitely had some damage to her, so. Well, guys, a little redneck engineering, and it's all fixed up.
It was a good morning here as we're getting ready to head out. Cinnamon rolls, bacon wrapped tater tots, creamed eggs that no one wanted to try, especially this guy.
I'm not a hard-boiled egg fanny.
You don't even taste them, but
Huh? Yeah, you do. You taste them.
yeah, it's time to go get some turkeys. There's Kai.
You want to take this rain away for us?
I wish. It's a nasty morning, but we're gonna make it work.
Yes, yes.
Let's go, Tarv.
It's that time. Pouring.
Why did it have to rain and be 49 degrees on the side? After it was 70s all last week.
That's Ohio.
It is Ohio.
You got some of that face paint along the side? Make sure you don't shoot one. shoot the other one. Help me up. Are you gonna shoot the other one? No. Holy crap. Got a baby. Let's go. That happened so quick. Oh my goodness. Go get it and bring it back to the blind. Okay, go bring it. Come on, guys. On down. Let's go.
Give us the rundown.
Well, it's April 22nd, opening day in Ohio, and we were sitting here just yapping away. It's rainy and ugly, and Kendrick and I looked at each other and we were like, I swear we heard a hen, and we were trying to figure out where they were. We thought they were over there. Drew from 365, he's over on that side, so I probably thought they were over there. It's hard to tell in this rain. And all of a sudden, within a minute, it got louder and louder and louder, and they were right on our decoys. The first one came in, it probably had a 5 or 6 inch beard. It was a bearded hen. The second one came in, I didn't even bother to look at the head. The beard was 8 inches. And I was like, all right, he or she is getting shot. And sure enough, she's laying on the ground. So yeah, I'd say it's a good 10-minute hunt for this morning here in Ohio.
Yeah,
got
just
one
to
in the
think.
blind, and we got looking for one more for Drew here this morning.
Just to think, 24 hours ago, we both said we're gonna have. We were 1 minute off.
We saved it in the group. We saved it in our chat.
Yeah, we got proof that we.
Hey, don't press it. I can't see it. There's a couple of jigs. There's some down there. There's the paintbrush. There's the back one. My camera. Yeah. There's 2 paintbrushes. Well, guys, I'd say it's a pretty successful day here in Ohio. Opening day, I'd say what, 10 to 20 minutes after.
Yeah, 6:51.
Yeah, it was great. She came right to the decoys with another bearded hen, actually. So we shot the bigger one. I mean, she's got a good, probably 8-inch beard on her. It's a good beard for a hen. She's an old bird. She's wet and ugly. It's been a rainy day, but man, have we seen turkeys. Didn't luck out on any of the other ones after I shot. They came pretty close, but just not giving Drew enough room to shoot with the pattern. So with that being said, I think he's gonna chase a little bit more, and then we're gonna go after some mushrooms and come right back out here tomorrow morning.
Hey buddy, you look really good on camera. Why don't you wave to the camera?
No.
You look a little lonely out there.
Let's go. God. Let's go. Yes. He's down right there. Down.
All right, boys. Yeah. We're out here tonight. We just spotted 2 turkeys in the field. The one with definitely a gobbler had a red head. We're walking up on it right now. We're gonna see what happens. We'll keep you posted. Look at these kids. Well, we're turkey hunting, but we just got a money hole of mushrooms. Now we're after this turkey.
All right, fellas. I've been sick for 3 days, and Kendrick finally dragged my booty out of bed.
I did not. I gave you the option of going golfing today or this.
And here we are turkey hunting.
And we brought a lunatic with us.
Yeah, we don't.
This guy never turkey hunts ever. We probably won't see anything because of him.
No, we're gonna shoot something tonight. I have a feeling we're gonna be done in like.
Bruiser Outdoors.
Well, I don't even know what time it is. We're gonna be done by 6:30 tonight, is my guess.
Oh, really?
So, yeah,
It's gonna be that quick of a hunt?
I think so.
Well, then let's do it.
All right, now we gotta be quiet, so I'm gonna turn this off. Wish us luck.
I see him. Get the gun up. He's right off the edge. Do you see his head? No. Right or left of that tree? Left. See him by the woods there.
Well, guys, there they are again. This morning, they were right there for us. I mean, right on top of us, and we couldn't do anything about it. The gobblers come up into the field, or very close to the field, I guess I should say. They were just inside the woods, and all we could see were their heads, and we didn't feel comfortable enough to take a shot in that circumstance, so we didn't. And ended up seeing 3 more jakes, 2 gobblers, and a couple hens, and the gobblers were just so henned up that they just didn't want to come out to the fields this morning. And hopefully this week at some point we can get out and finish the job, as it's the last week of the season and there's not much more we can do than we have in the last couple weeks. Just everything that could go wrong has gone wrong for us. There were coyotes that ruined our hunt the other night. Clay's been sick a few days that we couldn't go, and they walked right in front of our blind too. we sat there one night that they came out of the wrong end of the field and roosted at a wrong spot too, or at a spot that we never expected them to roost, I guess I should say. But they are reading the script again tonight, and hopefully at some point these things will make a mistake this week for us.
Well, guys, it is May 18th. We are getting down to the nitty-gritty for turkey season. Me and Clay both were off work today, and we're headed out, and hopefully this morning they do what they did last weekend, which was come right up to the woods and give us a 30-yard shot that we decided not to take because all we saw were their heads. But if they do the same thing today, they're going to get a bullet to the head, to say the least. Stay tuned.
Shoot it. It's a Tom. Just try and place it. Hold on, don't shoot. Don't. You got him! Go! Go get him! Go get him! We gotta go get him! Let's go, baby. That was a sneak hunt. I didn't get very good film of it. But man, he's down. Kendrick, let's go, baby. Thank you, Clay. Oh. And we gotta calm down, boys. Crush his head. That is Kendrick's first bird. Kendrick's first bird. Put a heck of a shot. I don't think I got a very good film of it. He scared the crap. Yeah, he scared the crap out of me when he shot. I jumped like a little baby. But holy crap. We had 2 toms. I did some good calling, I think, this morning. We were walking out to go to his property, check it out. And as we were walking, we heard a gobble. And sure enough, we sneaked down here. We were over there. We were right over there. Then we snuck down over here. We sat up there, and I told Kendrick we gotta go. We sat up here, and all of a sudden I was gonna get up, and they showed up right below us. And boom, it was game over. Kendrick, man, how are you feeling, bro?
Feeling on top of the world, buddy.
That's his first bird.
That was so much fun. Oh my goodness. When I popped up and saw them down here, I about crapped myself, dude. We were just about to make a move, and I happened to see him just standing right.
That TSS did some damage, didn't it?
Holy crap.
All right.
My hands are cold.
All right, boys.
thankfully for that. This morning started out really slow, obviously. We did not hear a whole lot, but we decided to stand up and we were gonna make a move actually and go possibly over to my land. And like that, we heard these gobblers down at the bottom here behind us. We decided to make a move down here. We got down here to the bottom. They were going ham for a while, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Something like that. All of a sudden, they were coming closer. We knew they were coming closer. And we had just started moving. We were gonna move to make a closer attempt. And as I was standing up, this thing and one or two more were standing right there. And we looked up. I didn't move. I did not move. Clay was mid standing up to get up, and I told him, do not move. And I literally plopped myself right down on a tree trunk that was sitting down there. I was able to make a, I don't know, 60, 70 yard shot maybe. Yep, here's my first bird. I can't be more thankful. Just thank the good Lord this morning.
Pick him up, show him the spurs.
That one's all nubbed down.
Just lift him up. Here they are.
Good old bird. Good old Holmes County bird right there, boys.
Woo! Bruiser Outdoors, tagged out for the season in Turkey.
Good stuff.
So final on the beard, 8 3/4. The spurs are nubbed to the bottom, as you can see, so they're not going to amount to much. This one's about a 1/2 inch. Yipper, end of season.